repeat that. This place is the most beautiful place in the world.
It is. And as you can see,
oh, okay,
we also contribute to the beauty of Namibia.
Can I hold your hand?
So hello guys, how are you? How is everybody at home? This is your brother Ismail, the Somali boy reporting from actually Uganda. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to this beautiful community and be part of the growing community here. And if you are my returning subscriber, I always salute you. Should I add this one? So I love you so much guys for actually always coming here, always supporting me, for always encouraging me. Actually I'm doing great. My morning went well, and I also wish the same thing to you. So today we are here with another beautiful video reaction that we have been all waiting for. So before actually starting that reaction, I want to thank God for the blessings He has all He gave us, all of us, and the blessings that we can't count. I also want to thank Wode Maya for allowing me actually to use his video, and that is actually you know if someone is allowing you to use his content, actually it's a great thing. Nobody can do that, because he went to to all those countries to spend all that money, all that things, and then he just, when you are just at your bed, he tells you just use brother, there's no problem at all. That's actually, it's a great thing. So I want to thank Wode Maya for allowing me to use his actually video. Thank you brother, if you're watching, thank you very much. And the other thing, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so, because that subscription will encourage us keep going. Anyway, Wode Maya had actually released a video that he has titled Africa's most underrated country, that is Namibia. In Namibia, people don't talk about that country. They don't talk about it. They don't even add the list of other countries. So he was sharing us that he was saying that actually it was one of the lists. It's like Namibia was one of the countries that he planned to travel to, but he never thought that Namibia could be such a great country, most organized. We can't say most organized, but well organized country. So let's start and enjoy watching this beautiful video.
Namibia is the land of the brave. Namibia is a very beautiful country. Agree with me that this place is the most beautiful place in the world.
It is. And as you can see,
oh, okay,
we also contribute to the beauty of Namibia.
But one thing that I've noticed in here is the flag of Namibia waving so high together.